Well, it is a Thursday, and I am back in the office. It's been a busy week, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey for our clients. I was in Philadelphia this morning representing a client at a preliminary hearing, and now I'm back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey, getting ready to some clients in the afternoon session. Did come out with a blog article today regarding murder and manslaughter. We have a recent case in Philadelphia. Well, it's a new case where a former police officer has been charged with both murder and manslaughter. The former officer is now charged with murder, first degree, third degree, and manslaughter. In that particular case, it is alleged that the officer shot at a suspect who was armed, but the allegation is that the officer shot as the suspect's back was turned to him. Now, obviously, this case is going to go to trial, but the former officer, is being held without bail because he has a murder one charge. Now, in that article, I detailed the difference between murder one versus murder two, and murder three are all chargeable offenses in Pennsylvania, as well as manslaughter. Manslaughter is a lesser included offense of murder, and it is much less serious if you're convicted of manslaughter as opposed to murder. Now, in the case of manslaughter, we often refer to it as imperfect self-defense, meaning that you thought that either you or someone you were with, your life was being threatened, and you acted, and you believed it was a justifiable killing, and it simply was not. That's manslaughter. Murder one is an intentional killing, whereas murder three is all other murder. Acting reckless would account to murder three. Murder three and murder one is a substantial difference. Murder one carries with it a life sentence without the possibility of parole, whereas murder three, the sentence can be as low as 72 months for a mitigated sentence to the statutory limits, which is 40 years in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. So the judge in that particular situation, if you were convicted of murder three as opposed to murder one, has discretion. With regards to manslaughter, the sentencing guidelines are much less. I believe that if you have no criminal offense, the sentencing guidelines are probably between the 3 to 5 year range in state prison, and that would be a mitigated sentence. If you're convicted of trial, possibly you could get more, but it is a felony of the first degree. The max sentence would be 20 years. But again, judges would sentence according to sentencing guidelines. So there's a substantial difference in this particular case. This officer's case will go to trial unless they can work out a possibility of a plea. If they were negotiating a plea, I could never see a situation where his defense lawyer would negotiate a plea to a murder charge, but possibly a manslaughter charge would be possibly advisable if they believe that, based on their view of the discovery, they were going to lose a trial and that he could be convicted of obviously murder one or murder three. The substantial sentence, there will be a substantial difference in the sentence. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gamebonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource to you and the family. It's all my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. It is a great resource to have. In addition, we'll be coming out with our weekly e-update tomorrow, which goes out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania, New Jersey. I will feature that article. I will also link that article into this vlog in the comments, in the description section of this video. I'm sorry. And if you have more questions, once again, give us a call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Thursday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.